Hello guys! Happy January 2! So we're going to the mall today. We're gonna eat lunch there, right?
Yeah.
Let's go. Wala pa pala akong seatbelt. Si Dad ay may work every day. So kami lang talaga. Kahapon din nag-mall kami.
Every day, Mom.
I'm sorry. Sometimes there's Yasumi, right?
Yeah.
Ayan, papunta na kami ng mall.
Go, hold this. Go, touch it.
Why are you laughing, kids?
They told me to hold something.
Come on, Minnie Mouse. Come on, Mario.
Okie dokie.
Close your door.
I can close my door.
Okay, you close your door too, Kung Kung. Inday. Okay. We are here in the mall.
We're in the mall. Here we go.
Let's go.
Ha!
Ito yung pampaswerte ng mga business sa New Year, guys. Hi guys, ayan, naka-order na kami. Hintay na lang namin yung order namin. Are you hungry?
I feel hot.
So here's our food.
Oh, we're so hungry.
What?
Yucky. There's so many vegetables in there.
I'm gonna get it. So ito na yung food namin.
Really? Yeah.
Ang galing ko lang yung vegetables kasi ayaw nila ng vegetables. And I like this nori. I'm gonna give this to you.
Mom, look at me.
What? Itadakimasu. Ang dami kong gulay kasi ayaw nila ng gulay. Good. That's for boy.
What's this? Like cinnamon roll. And this?
Ew.
One. What about the pet shop? Okay, that's what I see in the TV now. Yeah. I have that Aldi, really. Got this story. Got a cat in it. No.
But you're angry. You buy toy every day. You buy toys yesterday.
Only if you have money in the next New Year. Come on already.
Go open the door, Kung Kung.
Okay. No distraction.
Oy. Frog in there.
Yeah, and they got a frog through.
We are home.
I'm gonna wash my hands first.
Okay, very good, kids.
Today I have a Luigi.
Yeah, you get that in the supermarket. Ayan, nag-supermarket kami. Nakalimutan ko mag-video. Ito yung binili namin sa supermarket today, guys. Noodles and pancake. Kay Inday at kay Kung Kung breakfast nila tomorrow. And my coffee. Ito lang yung coffee na ininom ko, guys. Kasi hindi siya masyadong matapang. And Oreo. Okay. And our dinner. Ito yung dinner namin today. So, ayan, yun lang yung binili namin today. Sarado kasi yung supermarket na binibilhan namin parati. So, ngayon sa mall kami nag-shopping ngayon. So, ayan, say bye na. Bye! Bye! Kung say bye. So, ayun, napakakalat yung bahay namin. Maglinis muna ako. Bye, guys.